Shuyu, a PhD candidate from Tsinghua University. In this project, I will focus on scientific research.
Hello, I'm Chen Luyao, a postgraduate student from Tsinghua University, do well in the landscape architecture design.
Hello, my name is Yu Han from Shenshi Conservation Center. In this project, I will help with the community part.
I am Xinchen Bu, an undergraduate student from Tsinghua University School of Economics and Management. I took up birding 3 years ago, and I'm concerned with how human and wildlife can coexist with economic benefits.
Hi guys, I'm In Zhang. I got my PhD degree last year in Tsinghua University, and now I'm a postdoc and lecturer in Chongqing University. My research field is majoring in community-based conservation and environmental justice.
Older people, they shoot birds with a big damage.
Young people has lots of imaginations.
I believe we young people with great potential can bring new ideas.
The young people's attention is a real low.